from a single leaf to millions of perfectly crafted cigarettes every day. Behind these walls lies one of the most precise industrial processes in the world. This is what really happens inside a Marlboro-style cigarette factory. Our journey begins far from the factory floor, in vast tobacco fields. This is where quality is defined from the very beginning. Each tobacco leaf is carefully grown, monitored, and harvested at peak maturity. Climate, timing, and handling all play a crucial role. After harvesting, the leaves are transported to curing barns. Here, temperature and humidity are precisely controlled. Over time, the leaves slowly change color, aroma, and texture. This process develops the tobacco's unique characteristics. Once cured, the tobacco leaves are bundled and inspected. Only approved batches are sent to the manufacturing facility. Every shipment is tracked to ensure consistency and quality. Inside the factory, the real transformation begins. The tobacco is sorted, cleaned, and conditioned with controlled moisture. The leaves are then shredded into fine, uniform strands. Different tobacco varieties are blended to achieve a consistent profile. The blended tobacco is fed into high-speed production machines. Paper is wrapped, filters are attached, and cigarettes are shaped with precision. Thousands of cigarettes are produced every minute, each one identical in size, weight, and structure. Every cigarette passes through advanced quality control systems. Sensors and scanners detect even the smallest imperfections. Any defective product is automatically removed from the line. Approved cigarettes move to fully automated packaging lines. They are packed, sealed, labeled, and boxed at high speed. Robotic systems prepare the products for global distribution, from a single tobacco leaf to a finished cigarette. Precision defines every step. Hidden from public view, these factories operate around the clock. This is the unseen world inside a Marlboro-style cigarette factory.